Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where speaking English feels natural. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Kevin. Sarah, something amazing happened to me this week.
Oh, really? Tell me about it.
Well, I noticed that I'm speaking English more easily now. Like, it just comes out naturally.
That's wonderful, Kevin. What changed for you?
I think it's because I started doing small things every day. Simple habits.
Habits. That's the secret. Small daily habits create big changes over time.
Exactly. And I wanted to talk about this today because it really works.
Perfect timing, because today we're going to talk about simple habits that make you fluent in English.
Yes, these are easy things anyone can do. You don't need special books or expensive classes.
That's right. Just simple daily habits that build your English naturally. I'm excited to share these with everyone.
Me too. But before we start, we have a small favor to ask our wonderful listeners.
Yes, if you're enjoying Master English Channel and finding these conversations helpful, please subscribe.
And don't forget to click the like button. It really helps us continue making these episodes for you.
And if you know someone who's learning English, share this episode with them. Learning together is better.
Thank you so much for your support. We love hearing from you. Now, Sarah, let's talk about these simple habits.
Let's do it. Kevin, what's the first habit that helped you?
Well, the first one is listen to English every day, even just a little bit.
That's perfect. Listening is so important. But Kevin, why does listening help us speak better?
That's a good question. I wondered about that too.
Think about babies. Before they speak, they listen for months and months. Their ears learn the sounds first.
Oh, that makes sense. So our ears need practice too, not just our mouths.
Exactly. When you listen every day, your brain gets used to English sounds, English rhythm, English speed.
But how much should I listen? Like hours and hours?
No. Even 10 minutes a day is great. The important thing is every day, not a long time.
So consistency matters more than length.
Yes, 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
I see. What can people listen to?
So many things. You can listen to music in English. English songs are fun and easy.
I love English songs. I listen while I'm cooking or cleaning.
Perfect. You can also listen to podcasts, short ones, like ours.
Yes, like us. What about videos?
Videos are great too. You can watch short videos on YouTube, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Should I understand everything I hear?
Not at first, and that's okay. At the beginning, you're training your ears. You're getting comfortable with the sounds.
So I shouldn't worry if I don't understand every word.
Not at all. Just let the English flow into your ears. Your brain is learning patterns, even when you don't realize it.
That's encouraging. So I can listen while I'm doing other things, like walking or exercising.
Absolutely. That's the beauty of listening. You can do it anywhere, anytime.
This habit seems easy. What's the third habit?
The third habit is learn just 1 or 2 new words every day.
Only 1 or 2? That seems very small.
I know it seems small, but small is good. Many people try to learn 20 words a day, and then they forget them all.
Oh yes, I've done that before. I get tired and confused.
Exactly. When you learn only 1 or 2 words, you can really focus on them. You remember them better.
So it's about quality, not quantity.
Yes, for each word, learn the meaning, the pronunciation, and try to use it in a sentence.
Where can I find these new words?
Everywhere. When you're listening to English, you'll hear new words. When you're reading, you'll see new words.
Should I write them down?
Yes, that's helpful. You can keep a small notebook or use your phone. Just write the word and maybe 1 example sentence.
What if I forget the word tomorrow?
That's normal. The next day, look at your words from yesterday. Review them. This helps them stay in your memory.
So repetition is important.
Very important. And you know what's amazing? If you learn just 2 words a day, that's 60 words a month.
Wow, that's actually a lot over time.
Exactly. In 1 year, that's over 700 words. And these words stay with you because you learned them slowly and carefully.
That's encouraging. Small steps add up to big progress.
Exactly right. Now, what's the fourth habit?
Let me think. Oh, yes, read something in English every day.
Perfect. Reading is such a good habit. But Kevin, what should people read?
Well, I think it depends on their level. Some people find books too difficult.
That's true. So we should choose something that's not too hard, not too easy, just right.
What are some good options?
You can read short articles online. There are websites with news for English learners. Very simple language.
Oh, that's helpful. What else?
You can read social media posts, like captions on Instagram or short posts on Facebook.
Really? Social media counts as reading practice?
Of course, it's real English that people use every day, and it's usually short and simple.
That makes reading feel less scary.
Exactly. You can also read children's books. They use simple words and clear sentences.
How long should I read every day?
Just 5 or 10 minutes. Remember, we're building habits. Small and consistent is better than long and occasional.
And what does reading help with?
So many things. It helps your vocabulary. You see words in context, so you understand how to use them.
Curious, what about grammar?
Yes, when you read, you see correct sentence structures. Your brain learns patterns without studying grammar rules.
So I'm learning grammar without realizing it.
Exactly. Your brain is smart. It notices patterns naturally.
I like that. Learning without stress.
That's the goal. Make it enjoyable. Find something interesting to read, even if it's just for a few minutes.
Okay, what's the fifth habit? This is an important one, right?
Very important. The fifth habit is write a little bit every day.
Writing? But I make so many mistakes when I write.
That's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. When you write, you're practicing putting your thoughts into English words.
What should I write about?
Keep it simple. You can write about your day, just 3 or 4 sentences.
Like a diary?
Yes, like a mini journal. Today, I went to the store, I bought apples and bread. The weather was sunny.
That's very short.
Exactly. We want it to be easy, so you do it every day. If it's too long, you'll feel tired and stop.
Concerned. What if my grammar is wrong?
For yourself, don't worry too much at first. The goal is to practice, thinking in English and writing it down.
But how will I improve if I don't know my mistakes?
Good question. You can use tools to help you. Do you know Google Docs?
Yes, I use it sometimes.
Google Docs is wonderful. It corrects your spelling and grammar automatically. You can see your mistakes and learn from them.
Oh, that's helpful. Any other tools?
Yes, there are many apps now. Some can check your writing and give suggestions, but the important thing is to write every day.
So even just 50 or 100 words?
Yes, that's perfect. Writing helps you practice vocabulary, grammar, and expressing your ideas clearly.
I understand. It's like speaking, but on paper.
Exactly. And you have more time to think when you write, so it's less pressure than speaking.
Satisfied. Summing up. These 5 habits seem really doable, not too hard.
That's the point, Kevin. They're simple. Anyone can do them. The power is in doing them every day.
But Sarah, how do I remember to do all 5 habits every day?
Excellent question. This brings us to the most important part. You need to track your habits.
Track them? What does that mean?
It means you write down or record when you do each habit. Every day, you check it off.
Like making a list?
Yes, you can use paper or, better yet, use a habit tracking app on your phone.
There are apps for this?
Many apps. They're very simple. You put in your 5 habits, and every day you press a button when you complete each one.
And why is tracking important?
Because it keeps you motivated. When you see that you've done something for 5 days, 7 days, 10 days in a row, you feel proud.
I don't want to break the chain.
Exactly. You want to keep the chain going. It becomes like a game.
That's smart. It makes habits more fun.
Yes, and tracking shows you your progress. You can look back and say, wow, I've been practicing for 30 days.
Imagining positively. That must feel amazing.
It does. And here's a secret, Kevin. Once you do something for 30 days, it becomes automatic. It becomes a real habit.
Hopeful. So after 1 month, it's easier?
Much easier. Your brain gets used to it. You do it without thinking too much.
Understanding. So the beginning is the hardest part.
Yes, the first 2 weeks are challenging, but if you can track your habits and stay consistent, it gets much easier.
Energized. I'm feeling motivated now.
Good. And remember, if you miss one day, don't feel bad. Just start again the next day.
Checking. So perfection isn't the goal.
No, progress is the goal. Even if you do 4 out of 5 habits, that's wonderful.
Taking it in. This makes sense. Be kind to myself, but keep trying.
Exactly right. Now, Kevin, let's help everyone remember these 5 simple habits.
Yes, let's do a quick recap. We covered a lot today.
We did. First, we talked about listening to English every day, even just 10 minutes.
Yes, and it doesn't have to be difficult. Music, podcasts, short videos, anything works.
Continuing smoothly. Second, we talked about speaking to yourself. Practice alone, without pressure.
Right. Describe your day, your feelings, or have imaginary conversations.
Flowing naturally. Third, learn just 1 or 2 new words every day. Write them down and review them.
Emphasizing the point. Small is better. 2 words a day becomes over 700 a year.
Continuing the recap. Fourth, read something in English daily. Articles, social media, children's books, anything simple and interesting.
Completing the list. And fifth, write a little bit every day. Just 3 or 4 sentences about your day.
Exactly. And most importantly, track your habits. Use an app or a notebook to record your progress.
Enthusiastic conclusion. Consistency is more important than perfection.
Beautifully said, Kevin. Now, we have a question for our wonderful listeners.
Yes, we really want to hear from you.
In the comments below, tell us which habit you're going to start with. Which one feels easiest for you?
For example, you can write, I'm going to start with listening to English songs every morning, or I'm going to speak to myself while cooking.
Encouraging, gentle. Don't worry about making mistakes in your comment. This is great practice for writing in English.
Warm support. Exactly. And we read every single comment. We love hearing about your journey.
Genuinely interested. So please share with us, which habit will you try first?
Building on it. And if you're already doing one of these habits, tell us how it's going. We'd love to celebrate with you.
Grateful, warm. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Hopeful. We hope these 5 simple habits help you on your English journey.
Gentle, wisdom. Remember, small daily actions create big changes over time. Be patient with yourself.
Encouraging, light, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Learning should be fun, not stressful.
Warm, exactly. See you in the next episode, everyone.
Friendly, upbeat. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep building your English habits. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.